Another method of spying on your competitors' backlinks is using MOZ Pro tool. So why this tool is not free, it's premium. I think the basic rate starts at $99 per month. If you want to use it, you might want to consider either paying for it or joining SEO package like ours that comes with this tool as part of the package. However, it is quite powerful, and if you can splash out, I definitely do recommend this tool. So basically, go to their link research and type in your competitor's URL. As a root domain, you can obviously choose just exact page or subdomain and click Analyze. And MOZ Pro gives you a lot of the data, how many there's linking domains, how many links, how many linking keywords, and obviously their domain authority, so quite high. Obviously it's Shopify. You can export the data as CSV files. And now check on the linking domains. So linking domains, all of the websites that linked them. Inbound links give you more detailed review as to which pages on those websites link to. However, it will be much clearer for us to start with this one. So let's click it, linking domains. And we've got a list of all of the domains that link to Shopify. So this is really useful. If you want, you can expand the view. So you can have a look at which pages in those domains actually link to Shopify or link to your competitor. So expand this downward arrow and see from which pages are actually linking coming from. So you can open them in the new tabs and seeing what kind of content links. So it gives you plenty of ideas, plenty of inspiration, how to get backlinks, who to approach, and what kind of type of contextual backlink you want. So this is really powerful. For example, there is a link from Forbes. And you can see so many pages linked from Forbes. So you can see what kind of content is there. So you can find the inspiration, what kind of content Forbes would accept if you wanted to get a backlink from their website as well. So I do recommend either investing in MOZ Pro or joining SEO monthly package that we offer. That this tool comes as standard.